Okay, here we have r equals 9 times the cosine of theta, and we want to put this into rectangular form. So remember that r comma theta is polar form, x comma y is rectangular form. So what I'm going to see is that the cosine of theta is the same thing as x over r. So in place of cosine of theta, I'm going to put x over r. And then r, obviously, is still r. I'm going to multiply both sides by r, and then I get r squared on the left-hand side equals 9x. So I'm one step closer to having x and y's. I got rid of the cosine of theta. Now I need to think about what r squared is equal to. R squared is the same thing as x squared plus y squared. X squared plus y squared. So in place of r squared, I put x squared plus y squared. And here, it's just back to algebra. We're going to subtract the 9x over, leave room to complete the square. When I subtract the 9x over, I now have an equation equal to 0. I'm going to take half of 9. I'm going to keep this in fractions. Half of 9 is 9 halves. I square it, which gets me 81 fourths. If I add 81 fourths on the left-hand side, I have to add 81 fourths on the right-hand side. And this is something that you might remember, hopefully, from Algebra 1, most definitely from Algebra 2, college algebra. Now I'm going to take this portion, and I'm going to write it as the perfect square that it is, x minus 9 quantity squared. And then I have plus y squared equals 81 over 4. And that's our answer. X minus 9 over 2 quantity squared plus y squared equals 81 over 4. So now that idea should get you in a position where you feel comfortable. We're trying number 89. It's not the cosine of theta, but remember, cosine of theta is equal to x over r. Just think about what sine of theta is equal to, and then follow the same steps. Okay, so press pause, and then when you're ready to come back and check your answer, press play again. Okay, so when I substitute out for sine of theta, I'm going to get y over r, so I have r equals 4 times y over r. I multiply both sides by r, giving me r squared equals 4y. And then r squared is still x squared plus y squared. I subtract the y over, so I have x squared plus y squared minus 4y. I'm going to leave room to complete the square, equals 0. Half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Adding 4 on the left means I have to add 4 on the right. X squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared equals 4. And that is our equation in rectangular form. Now in the next video, I'm going to work on the arithmetic sequences given 2 terms in an arithmetic sequence, finding an unknown term's value.